everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and I believe this is the first layout I made with my Chamel September Best of Both Worlds kit. This is a kit I curated from my stash just because I have such a large supply of product. I don't think you're going to necessarily see these in the order I made them. So I'm going to take these three photos of my two youngest grandkids, and I'm going to mat them on that yellow heart paper from Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park, and it's the Feel the Love paper. And then I love that rainbow paper, and I want to use it, but it's kind of busy, and I also really want to use these wood letters. So I have these wood grain chipboard letters from American Crafts Jen Hadfield's. It's a patio party thickers. So I like that word together because they're together. And then I needed something above that, and I thought it would be great to like kind of journal on it. So I'm using a die cut from Chamel's Never Grow Up collection to journal on. And then that wood grain paper is from Chamel Never Grow Up. It's the Live Outdoors paper, and she had a thing for September where she showed you how to use both light and dark wood grains. So that's what that is. And then the rainbow paper is Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park, all the colors, and it's cute and it's about kids, so I thought that would be kind of fun to do. I ended up using just a little piece of that because it is so busy. So kind of playing around with what I'm going to do here then. So looking for things to embellish with now, and I go to the Chamel Never Grow Up sticker sheet here. It's a 6x12 sticker sheet. And I'm kind of looking, you know, the rainbows don't exactly match the Amy Tangerine rainbows, but a rainbow's a rainbow in my book. And the colors are close enough that I think I can make them work. I also, from that sticker sheets, found that little kind of like sign banner piece that says Discover. And I'm thinking I would like to use that as well because they are discovering as they're playing here. And what I'm doing with that journaling die cut is I didn't want to see the butterfly on it because that didn't have anything to do with this. So I just tucked it under until I couldn't see it anymore. And then I added the Discover down below instead of, I was thinking about putting it on top of that journaling card, but I really like it down below because then that is the title. That's Discover Together. It's not just together. So I'm again going through just looking to maybe I could use this piece, this arrow piece for color. I had made a mistake, wrote on it and made a mistake. So I thought, you know, I could just tuck it in. And again, I have the little rainbow there, looking to see if there's anything else. And this is the Amy Tangerine On a Whim sticker book, seeing if I could find anything else. Now this was in May, and I just found a little sticker. There you go. It's on it's one of the see-through stickers, one of the clear stickers that says May on it. So I'm going to take care of that because I have very patterned paper. I wouldn't be able to read it. So instead, right now, what I'm doing is I'm using that other rainbow. There, I have two of them from the Chamel sticker sheet, the larger one and then the smaller one that I'm going to put up over the top of the journaling card. Okay, so there's that. And I still haven't glued that yellow block of paper down, the heart paper down, because I'm not exactly sure how much space I'm going to need to allow based on where the rainbow on the left goes now. So I'm going to add in a bunch of foam tape to pop that off the background as well. I did that on the other rainbow. And I know where I ran off to. I was taking off all of the little liners because that's not very good YouTube watching. Okay, so then I was just kind of testing to see how that rainbow would sit if I put the May on the edge of that cloud and it stuck to the photo. And now that I have that down, I know where my yellow piece of paper can go. And I really like how the wood grain of the chipboard word and the wood grain of that background paper on the top kind of set each other off. So what I do with these clear stickers to use them, because I would pretty much never use them otherwise, is I put them on a piece of white cardstock and either cut them out, or in this case it's a circle and I have a punch that I can use. So I use far too much pattern paper. The clear ones are fine if you use a lot of white paper but as backgrounds, but I don't. Okay, so I need to add some chipboard in there as well, because, or chipboard, some foam tape behind the May, because I am putting it on top of that cloth that already had it. So now I have these My Mind's Eye enamel arrows. They are from the Jubilee collection, and they are the Mint Julep Wild collection, from that collection. So I'm just bringing in some of the colors from the collection, from the background paper. And I'm sorry guys, I decided instead of using the green there that I would use the aqua. The green felt like it was standing out too much because I don't have a ton of green on this layout. It's in the background of that rainbow, but that's it. So then I added those two little arrows there on the bottom from that same My Mind's Eye collection. Spoiler, I don't think you see this, but I take one of them off because I thought they were too much. So I went with just the lighter peachy corally colored one. All right, so still kind of trying to figure out what else I'm going to do here, and I find these clear heart stickers. So I'm going to cut a bunch of those out and kind of scatter them, because they match the colors of the rainbow pretty well here. And then I'll just add them in. Okay, and there's one at the top. And I kind of played around a little bit, decided the pink should go on the bottom and the turquoise can go on the top there. Just because it's so different, I guess. There was plenty of turquoisey greeny on the bottom because of the journaling card, so I thought I should balance that a little bit on the top. I mean, I already realized there's an aqua cloud up there, but I thought I needed more. So I found one more heart, so I cut that one out as well. And that one's in a light pink. So now that feels like it gives a little bit, because the aqua is so different at the top, I think the two on the bottom balance out a little bit better. Right, then I want to add some enamel dots, and I went to my Ellie Studio Live, Laugh, Love collection of enamel dots, and I'm just going to scatter 3 of the red ones around each of the clusters. And that will finish up my layout as soon as I am done with that. There we go. And there's a stray enamel dot that had to go back on the page. All right, guys, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well. I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.